Okay, welcome to touch typing. This is a simple application using React, and we've got MongoDB for our backend database storage, and we use Mongoose to interact with that as an interface. So this is actually a MERN stack. So they use Node as well on the backend for the server side. Alright, so let's get started. So naturally any application will want you to register, so let's go ahead and demonstrate our registration, user authentication, and authorization here. So let's make up a name here, user 7. Give them an email, it's pretty simple, user7 at user7, so I don't forget. And simple password. Alright, so naturally after registration, you should probably want to log in if you're not going to choose to have the user already be logged in. So I decided to redirect to a login page. So let's do that. That was user 7. And password. Alright, so it just takes you directly to the first letter. So once again, of course, this is just going to demonstrate the words per minute. It's going to be, being able to have the state change of strings stored, and demonstrate the ability to do that with React and Node and Mongoose. So let's get started here. It also allowed the user to be on a leaderboard, on the dashboard, so you can see where you compare relative to everyone else who's used the application for that letter. So let's go ahead and do that. And of course, word per minute is usually kind of a long demonstration here, so I kind of shortened it a little bit just in case, because I can definitely type a few characters per minute, but we don't want to overdo it here. Let's see, my hands are actually a little confined right here in this space that I'm in. There we go. Alright, so we're just going to demonstrate, of course, words per minute. As you see, the string is actually updating, and this is going to calculate how many words were actually typed in that minute. So there's in here. And see, if you get it wrong, of course, it's not going to allow you to continue, as I took that from most of the touch typing web applications that I've seen. Alright, so there we go. We've got a little animation there with the text to display to the user to start, as well as what the results were. Design is really not my thing. It's not a big thing. I'm more into the functionality. But as we see here, that's 14 and a half words per minute. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so of course you go through the letters, and as you see on the dashboard here, this is all we have right here. Let's go to, so you can retry a letter here. Let's go to this letter here. And this will be the last one, and it pretty much demonstrates the application. Like I said, so it's going to allow you to be on a leaderboard, and like I said, just be a little competitive to see where you are as far as your speed there compared to the other users of the application. So it's pretty simple in that sense. It's a very good skill to have, of course. So this is just something that I thought of as I was on the internet, and I came across an ad for that. So I was like, hey, that's a pretty good thing to try out, to try to do it. We all type a lot, and there's no harm in it. It's actually something that's kind of useful. I mean, if you can actually get better, why not? So we're just I'm not gonna go nuts here. There we go. 29 words per minute. That was much better. Alright, so like I said, that's pretty much the extent of the application there. And as you see there, that is up there at 29 words per minute. So those are the leaders so far, and that's pretty much the extent of the application. I thank you for your time. Well, let's see here. I think I have one more thing. Maybe log out. And just to show that we do log out, and it does change. Of course, since the user is not logged in anymore, it's going to ask them to log in and register, and they have no access to the dashboard anymore. Thank you very much for your time.